So I just bought the new Starlink Residential Mini here in Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria, and I paid 354,000 naira to get it delivered in just 2 days. Everyone is shouting about Starlink this, Starlink that, but is it really worth it? Now in this video I will show you the speed test, what shocked me during setup, and how it compares to MTN in my area. And trust me, it's not as fast as I expected. Disappointed. First off, this is not the regular Starlink, the big one. I bought the Starlink Residential Mini, which is the new compact version. You can see it's small, it's just like an A4 paper. Yeah, but a little bit wider. So I placed the order on Monday night, June 2nd, and surprisingly, it was delivered by Wednesday evening, June 4 to Ilorin. That's fast delivery. No customs, voila. I ordered from their website. Now the total cost was 354,000 naira for the hardware plus shipping. So 318,000 naira for the hardware alone. So every other thing is shipping. Now the first month is free, and after that it's 57,000 naira per month for the subscription, and it is unlimited. Now compared to a regular broadband in Nigeria, setup was very easy. It's plug and play. Just connect the dish, power it up, and open the Starlink app, and then align it, and then in few minutes you are online. The only hard part is mounting it on the roof. If you want the best signal, you will need to find a spot with no obstruction, and that's not always easy in a Nigerian homes with trees, water tanks, and all. So you will need to find your roof as the best place you can put it. Talking about speed, I ran a test using the Starlink app, and here is what I noticed. The first speed test I did, it gave me a download speed of 56 Mbps and upload speed of 18 Mbps. So that's actually very slow, but it's typical of, let me call it a village where Starlink is mostly used. So when I tested from Ookla speed test, I think it was better. So I really don't know. The only thing I discovered is that it can stream 1440p with ease, but 4K will struggle a little bit, especially during peak hour. Compared to MTN 5G in my location, MTN was actually faster, no lie. But then MTN will cut your head. Upload speed is not that fast, so if you are into live streaming like I am, uploading heavy content, now keep that in mind, that it can take you a long time to upload. I will still test how long it takes to upload maybe like 2 gig of data to the internet. I haven't used it yet to stream to my YouTube channel, but I will test that also. For now, watching video is smooth, and that's a win for me. I'll be honest, I didn't just buy Starlink because of the hype. I was frustrated with MTN and Airtel so-called unlimited data that finishes faster than a cold sobo on a hot day. Sincerely, I wanted something I could rely on for work, content uploads without thinking of daily or weekly caps. One thing that happened recently is that I was doing MTN 450 gig, 75k. Yes, I do live streaming every night, but then this data finishes in less than 2 weeks. Like, it finishes in less than 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks. So you imagine there was one that even finished 1 week, 450 gig, and they have increased there's no 1 terabyte again. They have 1.5 terabyte, which is 225. That's a lot. That's even like, I mean, more than half of how much I purchased the Starlink for. So I don't, now Airtel will tell you that unlimited, it will stop at the third week. That's when it will stop. So I really just don't know what to do at that point. I knew the next thing was for me to go and get Starlink. So at least it's going to be fair on me. So what makes Starlink special in Nigeria? Still, let's be real, Starlink is actually changing the game. There are villages in Nigeria with zero broadband coverage, no fiber, no mast, and Starlink can bring fast internet to those places instantly. And here is a fact not everyone knows. Starlink is now the second largest internet provider in Nigeria, right after MTN. That alone shows how much Nigerians are ready to pay for reliable internet. I know MTN came up with Fiber X network, maybe MTN Fiber X, but then we have not seen it here. So my final verdict: if you live in a remote area or a place where with bad 4G or 5G, Starlink is actually a lifesaver if you can afford it. If you are already enjoying strong MTN or fiber optics like in Lagos or Abuja and some places GRA in Ilorin, you may notice a big improvement, especially for the price. But as a backup for business or for rural outreach, is a solid investment. Setup is so easy. You don't need to be a tech bro to do it. Just download the app and then you are good to go. If you are planning to buy Starlink Mini, or maybe you want to buy the standard one, or you have already used it, please drop your experience in the comment section and you can ask questions as regards this. I'll be glad to answer you. So I'll be doing 1 week review soon to tell you if the speed gets better or worse or stable. That is after I've mounted it on the roof. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone thinking of getting Starlink in Nigeria, someone who has complained to you about internet speed in their area. Thank you very much. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.